Great good morning to all. I, Smith Kumar Singh, welcome all of you in Magadputra DREAM-IAS YouTube channel. My dear friends, today in this video we are going to read, recall and revise the UPSC Civil Services Mains Examination 2020 Political Science and International Relation Paper 1. We are going to read the optional subject of UPSC Civil Services Mains Examination Paper 1. And in next video, we will also give you the whole paper of paper 2 of PSIR, Political Science and International Relation. The purpose of this video is only to revision, recall and revise. I am not going to any elaboration, discussion or evaluation or analysis. So let's start. Time allowed 3 hours, maximum marks 250 marks. Before we moving further, we are going to read the specific instructions. Please read each of the following instructions carefully before attempting questions. There are 8 questions divided in 2 sections and printed both in Hindi and in English. Candidates has to attempt 5 questions in all. Question number 1 and 5 are compulsory, and out of the remaining any 3 are to be attempted, choosing at least 1 question from each section. The number of marks carried by a question part is indicated against it. Answer must be written in a medium authorized in the admission certificate, which must be stated clearly on the cover of the question cum answer booklet in the space provided. No marks will be given for answers written in a medium other than the authorized one. Word limit in questions, wherever specified, should be adhered to. Attempts of the question shall be counted in sequential order. Unless struck off, attempt of a question shall be counted, even if attempted partly. Any page or portion of the page left blank in the question cum answer booklet must be clearly struck off. Section A. Question number 1. Comment on the following in about 150 words each. 1A. Post-colonial theory of the state. 1B. Equality of opportunity. 1C. Liberalism as a revolutionary idea. 1D. Ambedkar ideas on constitutionalism. 1E. Machiavelli secularism. Now, question number 2A. Make a comparative assessment of a Greek perspective of justice with the Rawlsian's concept of justice. 20 marks. 2B. Representative democracy means the people as a body must be able to control the general direction of government policy. J.S. Mill comment. 2C. Assess the significance of right to property in a political theory. Now, 3A. Explicate the ideological component of Gandhism. 3B. Examine the nature and meaning of power. 3C. Explain the sources of ancient Indian political thought. Now, 4A. Trace the evolution of Western political thought from ancient to contemporary period. And 4B. Discuss the significance of a normative approach to political theory. 4C. Discuss Karl Marx's concept of class. Now, we will read section B. Question number 5. Answer the following in about 150 words each. 5A. Role of socialist in Indian national movement. 5B. Indian constitution makers concerned on social inequality. 5C. Right to constitutional remedies in India. 5D. Judicial overreach in India. 5E. Mechanism for settling interstate disputes. Now, question number 6A. Examine the role and functioning of the Election Commission of India and the Comptroller and Auditor General in the last 2 decades. 6B. Trace the role of militant and revolutionary movement in Indian national movement. 6C. To what extent the 73rd and 74th Amendment of the Indian Constitution enhanced women's empowerment. Now, 7A. Does the functioning of the federalism in India tend to make it appear as a unitary state in practice? 7B. Has the thrust of government tilted towards executive in contemporary India's politics? Give your argument. 7C. Liberalization of Indian economy has not been accompanied with adequate reform. Comment. 8C. To what extent has the inadequate intra-party democracy affected the functioning of Indian democracy? Now, question number 8B. Examine the role of religion in Indian electoral politics in the contemporary times. 8C. Examine the nature of the civil liberty movement in India. So that's all. We are here reading the UPSC Civil Services question paper 2020, paper 1, Political Science and International Relation, the optional paper of Civil Services Men's Examination 2020. So, if you like this video and want to know or listen the another question paper or another optional paper of UPSC Civil Services, then comment on the comment box. And if there are any queries related to UPSC Civil Services preparation, then you may also ask in the comment box. And till now, if you're not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it right now and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great day.